Hi, I'm Alicia, and today we're making dagger earrings using memory wire. So today we're making memory wire dagger earrings, and you definitely need some really awesome daggers, and that's what I got the inspiration from for these earrings. You're gonna need to pick up some spacer beads to jazz up your earrings, and then you're obviously gonna need some memory wire. Memory wire comes in your bracelet size, your necklace size, and your ring size typically, but we're gonna use the bracelet size today. So you're gonna need a memory wire cutter. Don't use your flush cutter because it'll dent your flush cutter unless it's stainless steel. You're also gonna need a bell plier to make the loops on the ends of your earrings, and then some jump rings, and you're ready to go. Let's get started. It's super easy, super fast. If you've never made jewelry before, this is probably one of the best projects to start out with because memory wire holds its memory, and it's super, super easy and fast and trendy. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna want to cut this as it overlaps just a little bit with your memory wire cutter, and look how easy this is. You're gonna come right up next to that piece and cut it. So you need 2 of these. You're gonna take them, line them up so that you have the exact same size. So now you have both pair of memory wire earrings, and you're ready to get started. And this is so easy, so easy. So now that you have your base of your earrings done, then you're gonna pick up some daggers. They come in all different colors. I'm gonna use this blue just because I love blue. And these have 2 holes in them. So if you look at these earrings right here, I've kind of staggered them to kind of give it a little bit of a different look, kind of like a stair-step look. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna start out with some of your spacer beads. And I like a little sparkle to give it just a little pop. So you're gonna slide on your spacer bead. I'm gonna do 2 first. And then I'm gonna start with the second hole, slide that on so it's higher than the other one. And then I'm gonna add 2, actually I'm just gonna add 1 bead, and then I'm gonna put it through the first hole. So now that you start seeing that step pattern, you're just gonna keep doing that. So 1 bead, and now you're gonna go with that second hole. You can see that it's starting. I mean, you could stop there if you want, but I like to make it a little fuller. It's all up to you. Add a bead. Now you're gonna go through that top hole. Add a bead. Go through the bottom hole. Add a bead. Go through the top hole. This is something that you could pick up and do it with your friends. Have a little house party, wine night. Okay, now when you get to the end, you're just gonna add 2 more beads on, and you're almost done. Now from here, what you're gonna do is you're gonna pick up your bell shaping plier, made from memory wire. You're gonna come over to the ends, and you're just gonna take that piece, and you're gonna roll it closed. Same thing with the other side. You're gonna take that end and roll it close. So you're rolling this close because this is what's gonna attach your ear wire to your piece so that you can make it into an earring. Okay, so now you have your 2 jump rings that you're gonna attach to your piece right here. And if you have a chain nose or a flat nose plier, use either one to open and close your jump ring. I like flat nose pliers because they hold on to your jump ring a lot better. And when you open a jump ring, you want to always remember to open it from side to side, never pull it open. And you're just going to add that to your piece. So you need one jump ring for each earring. That's why I have two. So the jump ring goes through both of those loops that you just made. We're going to attach an ear wire to the jump ring. I don't have to make an ear wire because I just found one back here in my little shop. All you do is you're going to take either your chain nose or your flat nose, and you're just going to open this ear wire up. Remember to do it from the sides. Never pull it apart because you're never going to get it back to that circle form. And then you're going to attach your ear wire to your earring, to your jump ring, and close it up, and you have just made your Dagger memory wire earrings. See how fast that was? And now we're going to make the other one really fast, and you can tell all your friends, oh my gosh, look what I've made. So again, here we go with your spacer beads, which you can use anything you want. I just like a little bit of sparkle to just give it a little bit of an extra touch. So 2 beads, start on the second hole of your dagger, then 1 bead, then your first hole on your dagger, then another bead, and I use 7 daggers on my earring. You can use however many you want. Some people might just want 1 dagger. It just depends on your style. So if you've never worked with memory wire, I love working with the ring size because you can make wine charms and give as party favors and never lose your glass. So I'm just adding these on, 7 daggers, spacer beads, super, super easy. Adding my last one on now, and see how fast this is. So if you're walking out the door and you don't have anything to match your outfit, you can make these so fast. So now we're coming back to the bell shaping plier to make our loops so that we can attach a jump ring and put our ear wire on. So now we're going to go to the other side, and these bell making pliers are specially made for memory wire. Same with the cutter that we showed you earlier. And so now you've got your 2 loops made, and now you're going to attach your jump ring to the 2 loops using either a chain nose plier or flat nose pliers. Open it up, slide it through. So if you don't already have pre-made ear wires, you can make your own. We have a video that you can watch to make your own, but I already have my own right now, so I'm gonna take it and add it straight to my piece right here. Close that up and add your ear wire to your jump ring. And then close your jump ring up. And now you have your dagger earrings. Okay, so now that you've made them, you always want to try them on and look how gorgeous you look in them. So let's try them on. And these are so light too. If you're worried about stretching your ear holes, these are super light and fun. I can't even feel them. So that's how you make your memory wire dagger earrings. So let's go over the tools again one more time for what you need to make these earrings. So you need your memory wire cutter. Remember, don't use your flush cutter because it will dent your cutter and then it'll be ruined. You need your bell shaping plier made for memory wire. You need your spacer beads. You need something to open and close your jump rings. I use flat nose. So you need your dagger shaped beads. You need your ear wires, and you need your memory wire bracelet size to make the base of your earrings, and then you are ready to go and you get these. What other projects would you use using memory wire and dagger beads? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thanks for watching.